I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock for jollof rice. Roast bones first to add caramelized flavor, then cover with cold water and bring to a gentle simmer. Add onion, carrot, celery, bay leaf, thyme, and peppercorns. Skim foam for clarity and simmer low for 2 to 3 hours. Strain, cool quickly, and refrigerate or freeze in portions for easy use when cooking jollof rice later. Start by gently toasting whole spices like peppercorns to unlock aromatic oils, then set aside. Sauté onion and tomato paste in the roasting pan, drippings for added depth. Deglaze with a splash of water before adding bones and vegetables to the pot. Maintain a low simmer so gelatin dissolves without breaking down clarity. Taste near the end and adjust salt, then strain and cool for immediate or future jollof use. Plan ahead and simmer the stock for 2 to 3 hours to extract maximum flavor without bitterness. After straining, cool the stock rapidly in an ice bath, then refrigerate in shallow containers. Remove solidified fat after chilling if you prefer a leaner stock. Label and date containers, and freeze portions for up to 3 months to make weeknight jollof rice effortless and better flavored than using water or bouillon cubes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.